Welcome to our guide on transferring money out of Gohenry. Today, we'll explore its features and the best methods for making your transfer smooth and simple. Transferring money out of your Gohenry account is crucial for financial planning and managing your funds effectively. Let's dive into why it matters. Before you transfer funds, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. This includes account verification and ensuring you have enough balance. Let's go through the steps to access your Gohenry account. Open the app and log in using your credentials to get started. To execute a transfer, you need to link your bank account. Here's how you can do that within the app. Gohenry provides several transfer options. Let's explore these choices, ensuring you pick the best one for your needs. We've compiled the best methods for transferring money out of Gohenry. Following these can help make your process as efficient as possible. It's essential to consider any potential fees that might apply during your transfer. Understanding these can help prevent any surprises. To ensure a smooth transfer process, follow these helpful tips that can make your experience hassle-free and straightforward. In summary, transferring money out of Gohenry can be an easy task if you follow these best practices. Thank you for joining us today.